Another big observation from that extensive watch list released by the JFF ahead of the Bermuda and Trinidad World Cup qualifiers. Once again, there is no Mason Greenwood. And we know Greenwood has a lot of fans in Jamaica. But after reportedly collecting his Jamaican passport some weeks ago, why is Mason Greenwood not in the squad to face TNT and Bermuda? Why? For all those preaching the gospel of how much we need Mason Greenwood and we should do everything in our powers to get him here, why is he now fully eligible? Passport in hand, the JFF president came out and said it loud and clear. Greenwood is ready to play. Why then is he not on his way? There can only be one reason that Mason Greenwood is not playing these games. He does not really want to play for Jamaica. Even with passport in hand, big World Cup qualifiers beckon. The man continues to style Jamaica. Uno go and take stylings.